OpenAI just released Codex Security. Codex Security is an AI-powered security review for your code base. But how does Codex Security work? First, it analyzes your code. After that, it understands how your application works and create a threat model specially for your application. But here's where it gets even more interesting. You are not limited to using Codex Security in just one place. You can use it however you prefer, through the Codex app, the cloud, the CLI, or even the TypeScript SDK. At the end of this video, I'll show you a demo and cover the use cases you can start implementing today. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. I help developers turn AI into real workflows, so sub and like, it really helps me provide more value for you. In order to use Codex Security in your Codex app, you need to install this Codex plugin. I'll leave a link in the description. If you prefer to use the Codex Security Cloud, you need to create a workspace, and after that make sure the repository you want to scan is connected with the GitHub connector. Codex Security CLI and SDK is well documented. If you have any questions about the installation, tell me in the comments. Codex Security has two practical use cases. The first one is to run deep security scan. With this scan, you will have a full picture of your security vulnerabilities, so although it takes longer, it's worth the time and the output is amazing. And the second use case is to review the current code changes. To execute it via the Codex app, you need to execute this prompt. You can see that it uses this Codex Security plugin. Every security scan creates at least one of these artifacts, report MD, findings, hardening, and some more JSON formats. It's kinda straightforward. You can pause the video to get the full details. If you decide to run a security scan, you should do it with the smartest model that is available. Currently, we're talking about Sol 5.6 with extra high reasoning effort. This is what OpenAI recommends, and I totally agree. If we want to perform a security checks and find vulnerabilities that we couldn't find, we should use the best tools that we have. But that means it will consume a lot of tokens. So we need to pick when to run these security scans. I recommend to do a full scan every week and to run a specific scan for sensitive pull requests you want to verify. It's time to see a demo. I'm going to demonstrate via the Codex app. So the first step is to go to the plugins tab and to write Codex Security. And this is the plugin we want to install. Now I want to run a deep security scan in my ClicksIQ project. So I'll click and create a new chat. The next step is to go to the official documentation and take the prompt they suggested. This is the deep scan prompt. I'll copy it and let's paste it inside my Codex app. So this is the prompt. You can write your own prompt, just make sure to add this plugin. As we mentioned, we want to perform every security scan with Sol with extra high reasoning level, so let me change it. So let's execute. Every time you run a security scan, you will see this questionnaire. It asks me which scan type I want, codebase or changes. I'll go with codebase, and I want a deep scan to scan the entire codebase, and that's it. Sounds good to me. So after about 1 hour and a half, I got all these artifacts. Codex found some security issues that I wasn't aware of. I'm not going to share it with you guys because it is a real project and I don't want to expose the vulnerabilities, but the scan was very productive and useful. If you like Codex Security, mastering Codex sub-agents is the next step, so make sure to watch this video.